How to see who viewed your Snapchat story more than once. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see who viewed your Snapchat story more than once. First, open the Snapchat app. Here, tap on your profile from the top left corner. Tap on Settings. You'll find Snapchat Plus. Tap on it. Go to the Subscribe option. Basically, this feature is not available in the free version of Snapchat. You'll need to subscribe to Snapchat Plus in order to see who has viewed your story more than once. This is how it will show you. Tap on Next to see the monthly plan that you can purchase in order to subscribe. So this is the only way to see your required feature on Snapchat. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.